Hey mom, got a minute? I could really use your help with creating a pivot table in Excel.
Sure, pivot tables can seem a bit tricky at first, but once you get the hang of them, they are super useful. What's the data you are working with?
Here, I have got this sales data for the first quarter. I need to summarize it by region and product, but I am not sure where to start.
All right, first make sure all your data is organized neatly with no blank rows or column. Then highlight the data range you want to analyze.
Got it. Data is neat and highlighted. What's next?
Now go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Excel will ask where you want to place it. Usually, a new worksheet works best. And click on OK.
Okay, done. I have got my pivot table fields list on the right side now.
Great! This part is like building with Lego. Drag the product field to the row area and the region field to the column area. Then drag the sales field to the value area to summarize your data.
Wow, the table is starting to take shape. How can I change the summary type from sum to average?
Here I have two methods to explain. You can use any one of it. In the first method, just click on the sum of sale, right click, select value field settings and then choose average. Now in the second method, click on the drop down arrow next to the sum of the sales in the value area, then select value field settings and then choose average.
This is amazing. It's so easy to get a quick overview of the data. Can I add a filter too?
Absolutely. Just drag any field to the filters area. For example, if you want to filter by employee name, drag it there and you can sift through the data name by name. And one more thing, if you need a detailed report of each employee in a separate sheet, then you can do it by selecting the pivot table analyze, choose show report filter pages, click OK. You will find the report sheet by sheet. Now you can take the sales report of each employee from a different sheet.
Thanks a lot. You made this so simple. I think I'm going to love using pivot table.
Anytime, dear. Pivot tables are like your best friend in Excel once you know how to use them. Happy analyzing. If you found this video useful and interesting, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.